Benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of several different media to convey information, text, audio, graphics, animation, and video, in an interactive way. It is often used in computer-based systems such as website, software, and presentation. What is information and communication technology? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is a term that refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunication. It is similar to information technology, but focuses primarily on communication technologies. ICT refers to technology that provide access information, telecommunication like the internet, wireless network, cell phones, and other communication mediums. What is benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century? Enhance learning experiences. Multimedia can make learning more interactive and engaging, leading to better understanding and retention of information. Improve communication. ICT allows for instant and efficient communication through various channels such as email, social media, and video conferencing. Enchanted productivity. ICT tools such as computer and software application can automate tasks, increasing productivity and efficiency. Entertainment. Multimedia provides a wide range of entertainment options from movies and music to games and virtual reality experiences. Increase creativity. Multimedia provides a platform for creative expression, allowing individuals to combine different media to create a unique and innovative content. Access to information. ICT provides easy and quick access to a vast amount of information, enabling learning and research.